Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi aphilayo. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mangabe usamosha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke lapho-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahala nje awukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke ikhona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke sikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke songakwenza-ke nje lapho-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungixhase ucindezeleke lelo bhathi nje lelo-ke usubscribe. Udaba kuletheke lona-ke namhlanje lithi-ke sekuvele omunye usisi-ke laphana-ke waveza-ke imfihlo-ke ebingakaziwa-ke. Lento-ke ngizwile-ke ikhulunywa-ke abantu-ke abaningi njengoba sonke sazi ukuthi uPresident Jacob Zuma-ke ngiyakwazi ukuthi laphana-ke abe upresidenti-ke we-MK Party-ke emva kokuthi kuphume isinqumo-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ngeze akwazi ukuthi abe upresident we-MK Party. Bese kuvele-ke omunye-ke umlisa-ke laphana-ke obasondelene kakhulu-ke noJacob Zuma kusolakala ukuthi engathi kuzoba uyena-ke ozoba-ke umphathi-ke we-MK-ke ozobambisa-ke laphana. Kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi mina weze ngamprenta nje dlalela ividiyo yalo sisi lo uzizwele wena ngawakho amandla. Ngizocela uweke laphana uzwile-ke le video le ungene ema-comment section ufike usho umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lokhu emsicizana nebhasi nje subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Zuma select former Judge Mogoeng Mogoeng to be the president of the MK. But it's game over for the other parties. Okokuqala, South Africa is very, very religious, and people are hungry for a corruption-free government. And those are the two things former Judge Mogoeng Mogoeng was very strong in. Like, that is what we know him for. He's a person who is very strong on Christian values and integrity. I don't see other parties getting out of this, guys. It's game over. Umjolos bafethu uhlakaniphile. This man is just too smart. Fanele sivume induku bafethu.